Alright, suffer with you again, and we'll continue task 2 of the specimen. We need to create an advertisement. IST want an animated advertisement to appear on their website. The placeholder on the website will be 300 pixel height and 500 pixel wide. I will start Flash now. Okay, create an animation for IST. Place the IST logo at the start. Place the IST logo at the start of the animation. Make the IST logo appear small in size at the first and gradually grow to a suitable size to fill the center of the frame. Make the animation of the logo look smooth. You are going to animate 3 images to start their animation. As soon as the logo animation has grown to fill the center of the frame, animate the 3 images: accommodation, slope, and family. Make each image display for a suitable time, fade in and then fade out into the next image. Display the appropriate text in the bottom right hand corner of the image. A luxury accommodation, world class, slope, fun for all the family. The fade must be suitable timed. The final image must fade out. Make sure that the text on each image is clearly visible. The text must fade in and fade out with the image. Make the animation between the images and the text look smooth. Okay, so we'll start in a Flash. See, Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Action Script 3. Okay, stage supposed to be 500 by 300. Okay, and after that we need to add the logo. So you go to the logo. Where did we save it? Drag and drop. Okay, and they didn't tell us anything about the time. The time is very important in animation, but they didn't ask us to put any time. They asked for the images and the animation to be smooth, so I will make each image goes for 2 seconds. And at the beginning the logo will start at the center in small in size, so I will change the size of the logo. Okay, I will make it for 2 seconds. By default I'm using 24 frames per second, so 2 seconds will be 48, but we can simply use F5 and then choose 2 seconds from here, and I can remove the rest of the frames. Okay, and then I will create a motion tween. I will convert it into symbol, correct, and after that at the end of the animation of the last frame I will make it grow to fill most of the frame. Okay, and then after that we need to add these 3 images. I will make each image into 2 seconds. I will name this layer logo, add another layer, and I will call it accommodation. Okay, accom. Oh, and I will take this image, accommodation, I'll extract here, accommodation, drag, and okay, we need to make a keyframe first, F6, then I will add the accommodation. Okay, make it fit, so this is 0, this is 0, 500 to be exact, by 300. and then for another 2 seconds. This will be 4. Can remove this. Remove frames. Okay, I will create another motion tween. Create motion tween. We need this to be fade in and fade out. So at the beginning, we'll convert it into alpha, and it should start with 0 at the half or at 1 second after. That means at 3 seconds. I'm gonna make it 100, and at the end, I will do this again and make it as 0. Okay, this, and I will add another layer. Insert keyframe. Keyframe supposed to start from here because it's supposed to fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out, and fade in with the next image. So create. I will add a keyframe over here. Okay, and for 2 seconds more, I will insert frames. It's supposed to be at 5, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. I will add the second one, which is slope. Second image. Where is it? Slope. Slope. Okay. 0, 0, 500, 500, 300. Okay. Let's start over here. Okay. Now create motion tween. Yes. Alpha. Start with 0. Oops. From here. Alpha. Start 0. At the half of it will become 100, and then at the end we'll go back to 0 again. So this will be third layer slope, and the fourth layer family. Okay, family. I will add keyframe over here, and for 2 seconds as well. Insert frame. It should be at 6. Finish at 6, and I will remove these extra frames. Now I'm gonna add the picture family. Same process. Click over here, 0, go 0. This will be 500, and this will be 300. Okay. At the beginning, now I will create a motion tween. Okay. At the beginning, it should start in alpha opacity 0. Then over here, it will become 100 again, and at the end is 0. Okay. Go back to our question paper. Display for a suitable time, fade in and then fade out in the next image. We did that. Display the appropriate text in the bottom right hand corner of the image luxury accommodation. We need luxury accommodation. Copy it. We need another layer. I will name it luxury accommodation, and this should start with the first image from here. So this point, insert keyframe, and it should end this point. Okay, we can remove the rest. Silver. Remove frames. Okay, at the beginning we need text. I will add a text now at the bottom right corner. Ctrl V, and extend this to be one line. Okay, I will put it. Maybe we need to change this a little bit. Okay, we can close this a little bit like this to fit. Okay, now we need to change this for a symbol, convert it to a symbol. Okay, and then fade in and fade out, the same thing like we did with the images. You click on it, alpha, fade in over here, fade in, yeah. At the end, oh, oops, we didn't do motion tween. Okay, right click, create motion tween, same process, and over here, oops, again, should be 0. Over here, 100, and then 0. Okay, we'll add another layer, the second text, world slopes, should start from here, this point, insert keyframe, and should end at this point. So we will remove the rest. Remove frames. Okay. I will add the text now. Ctrl V. Okay. Put it in the accurate position. Convert it into a symbol. Same thing, right click, create motion tween. At the beginning, this should be color effect, alpha, start at 0, at the half, here, it goes again to 100, and at the end, will become 0 again. Last one, this is slopes. Last one should start here. So insert keyframe. We need to call this fun for family. Text box. Fun for family. I will put it bottom right corner. Then again, convert into symbol. OK. At the beginning, now create motion tween. The steps are repeated. OK. Now convert it into alpha. At the beginning it's 0. Over here it will become 100. And at the end it will go 0 again. And here this is the last step. Okay. The fading must be suitable time. The final image must fade out. Make sure that the text in each image is clearly visible. The text must fade in and fade out with the image. Make the animation between the images and the text look smooth. Make the animation play continuously. Okay. We need to use repeat continuous to be continuously repeated, and we need to take it to the beginning of our animation, and we can play it now. Okay, perfect. Stop. Okay. Make the animation play continuously. Export the animation in a suitable format using a website with the file name istadvert followed by your center number and candidate number. The suitable file, it is SWF. SWF means shockwave file. So we go to File, Export, save export movie. Make sure that it is SWF. I will save it at this folder, same folder. I will take the path, go back to the name, IST advert, IST underscore advert underscore 6001. Save. Cancel. Okay, we can check it now. Should be over here, and this is our animation. And it plays continuous.